High blood pressure, or hypertension, affects millions of people across the USA and Europe, and many don't even know they have it. The good news: you can control it naturally through smart lifestyle changes, science-backed foods, and the right daily habits. In today's video, we're breaking down the most effective, doctor-recommended ways to lower your blood pressure naturally and protect your heart. And before we begin, health-related informational videos like this help millions of people, so make sure to stay till the end. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Follow a heart-healthy diet. One of the most clinically recommended diets for lowering high blood pressure is the DASH diet, short for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. Doctors across the USA and Europe widely recommend this eating pattern. Eat more of these foods, they help lower blood pressure. Potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body and relaxes blood vessels. Great potassium sources include bananas, tomatoes, pomegranates, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, coconut water, sweet potatoes, leafy greens like spinach and kale, beets, which also contain nitrates that relax blood vessels, magnesium and fiber-rich foods. These foods support heart health and improve blood flow. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread or oats, beans, lentils, chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds and walnuts. Low-fat calcium sources. Calcium supports proper blood vessel function. Low-fat milk, low-fat yogurt. Fortified plant-based milk. USA WU brands, healthy fats and antioxidants. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, or mackerel. Dark chocolate minimum 70% cocoa. Garlic and onions known to support circulation. Number 2. Foods to avoid. They increase blood pressure. To lower your blood pressure, reducing harmful foods is just as important as eating the right ones. High-sodium foods. Sodium is one of the biggest triggers for high blood pressure. Avoid processed foods, chips, and salty snacks. Frozen meals, canned soups, extra table salt, pink salt, black salt, or any added salt on the plate. Pickles, sauces, soy sauce, chili sauce, ketchup. High-salt spice mixes, unhealthy fats and cholesterol. Limit or avoid fatty red meat, butter, ghee, excess oil. Fried pastries found commonly in USA, EU bakeries. High-fat desserts, egg yolks in large amounts. Sugary drinks and sweets. Excess sugar triggers weight gain, which avoid sodas, energy drinks, bottled juices. Excess candy or desserts. Number 3. Exercise daily. 30 minutes minimum. Doctors recommend at least 30 minutes of activity every day. The easiest and most effective exercises are fast walking, cycling, swimming, light jogging, home workouts. Exercise strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, and keeps your blood vessels healthy and flexible.
Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight puts extra pressure on your heart and blood vessels. Studies from USA and European heart associations show that losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly reduce blood pressure. Healthy, steady weight loss includes eating whole foods, reducing portion sizes, cutting sugary drinks, walking regularly, sleeping well. Number 5. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking makes blood vessels narrow instantly, raising blood pressure dangerously. Quitting smoking improves heart health almost immediately. Alcohol. Too much alcohol increases blood pressure. If you drink at all, limit to women 1 drink a day, 2 drinks a day as recommended by USA and EU heart guidelines. Number 6. Manage stress daily. Chronic stress is a silent trigger for high blood pressure. Effective stress control habits include meditation, yoga, breathing, gentle stretching, listening to relaxing music, spending time in nature, prayer if applicable, taking small breaks from work. Practicing these for 10 to 15 minutes daily can lower cortisol levels and stabilize blood pressure. Number 7. Get enough sleep. Most adults in the USA and Europe sleep less than the recommended 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep increases blood pressure by raising stress hormones. To improve sleep, Maintain a fixed sleep schedule. Keep the room cool and dark. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Limit caffeine after 2 p.m. Number 8. Monitor your blood pressure regularly. Keeping a home blood pressure machine is extremely helpful. Record your readings and share them with your doctor during checkups. This helps detect morning hypertension, white coat hypertension, stress-related spikes, improvements from diet or exercise. Number 9. When to see a doctor. Seek medical attention if you notice frequent headache, chest discomfort, turgor heartbeat, dizziness, swelling in legs, very high blood pressure above recommended levels. Early treatment prevents stroke, kidney damage, vision loss, and heart failure. Ending message. Managing high blood pressure is absolutely possible, and you can start today with small, consistent changes. Eat smart, stay active, reduce salty foods, manage stress, sleep well, and track your numbers. Your heart will thank you for it. And remember, for more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.